They said TikTok ads were hard. Helium 10 just made them automatic. Helium 10 is launching so many TikTok tools. Actually, I believe they launched 8 just in the past month, which is completely insane. They've been adding it, going and doubling down. And that's because so many sellers on Amazon are making millions because of TikTok. What happens is it's easy to go viral on TikTok, right? Because you can find the right product, the right influencer, and then pop, you go viral on Amazon, because the people that watch the videos on TikTok, they buy on Amazon. They still buy on Amazon. Everybody trusts Amazon. They've got TikTok Product Finder. That's what they have. Product Finder, hot videos, listing converter, influencer finder, influencer messenger, profits, inventory management, and they just keep adding more and more and more, right? So we got the hot videos, TikTok hot videos. You can just filter it by category, last 14 days, find out what's working, what's not working. What are the new trends? You can connect your TikTok shop. Once you connect your TikTok shop to Helium 10, then you can see all of the other benefits that you get. You get converter, profits, fulfillment, ads. Here we go. There's the ads, TikTok ads, and how to scale your TikTok shop. Now, they also have a course right here at Freedom Ticket 4.0, and this is, they spend their time how to sell on Amazon, but they also have one how to sell on TikTok, which is huge. You can see right here, sell on TikTok, this button right here. You go here, you scroll down, TikTok training course. And this is a full course, right? And they implement different things, TikTok training, which is huge, right? And it goes over advertising. It goes over the app store. It goes over how it works, real seller journeys, and how they made so much money on TikTok and Amazon. Amazon is the key for this, and TikTok is where you can get the traffic to Amazon for a fraction of the cost. Now, if we're looking at the ads platform, what you can do is you can set automations. It can help you make sure that you're not overspending, which is a bad habit when it comes to ads, especially if you don't know what you're doing. This is where the Helium 10 comes in strong, and you can see all the analytics here. You don't have to log into Helium 10. Now, with all these tools rolling out, what you're going to see is you're going to see that these tools are getting better and better and better. There is a link in the description if you're interested in trying this out. Very powerful stuff. And if you need help with anything regarding Amazon, Helium 10, TikTok, feel free to contact us. We specialize in all 3. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.